First, the headlines. Artificial intelligence has been continuously transforming our lives in remarkable ways. More than half of the world's largest lakes are drying up. Global warming has become a threat to the planet and future generations. The advancement in nanotechnology is replacing traditional silicon-based components with graphene-based components.
Artificial intelligence has been continuously transforming our lives in remarkable ways, from groundbreaking advancements in machine learning to the rise of intelligent systems. AI has been revolutionizing industries and transforming our lives in remarkable ways. AI-driven systems, more generally called intelligent systems, are transforming the way we interact with technology. These systems are powering innovations that seemed like science fiction just a few years ago. One of the most remarkable applications of intelligent systems is in the development of autonomous vehicles. AI has enabled cars to perceive their surroundings, make real-time decisions, and navigate without human intervention. Self-driving cars hold the promise of significantly reducing accidents and traffic congestion, making transportation safer and more efficient. Intelligent systems are also revolutionizing the healthcare industry. AI-powered diagnostic tools are now capable of detecting diseases with higher accuracy and speed than traditional methods. Moreover, AI is being used to analyze vast amounts of medical data to identify trends, discover potential treatments, and even personalize patient care.
More than half of the world's largest lakes are drying up. Lake loss is a big problem for people who rely on that water for drinking and irrigation. Nick Ogasa reported in Science News magazine that more than half of the world's largest lakes shrank over the last 3 decades. That's a big problem for the people who depend on those lakes for drinking water and irrigation. Drying lakes also threaten the survival of local ecosystems and migrating birds, and can even give rise to harmful dust storms. 96% of lakes are natural lake storage. About 53% of the world's lakes have clearly shrunk. The researchers found climate change and human consumption were the main causes of the decline in natural lakes.
Global warming has become a threat to the planet and future generations. In this eye-opening subject, we probe into the pressing issue of global warming and its alarming impact on our planet. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature, primarily caused by high levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, trap heat from the sun and contribute to the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural phenomenon that helps regulate the temperature on Earth. However, human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, have dramatically intensified the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is leading to excessive heat-trapping gases that disrupt our climate system. Human activities are the primary driver of global warming. Burning fossil fuels for energy and transportation releases large quantities of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Deforestation, on the other hand, reduces the planet's capacity to absorb carbon dioxide, resulting in its accumulation. The longer we delay taking significant steps to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, the greater the impact will be on our planet and future generations.
The advancement in nanotechnology is replacing traditional silicon-based components with graphene-based components. The most significant development in nanotechnology is the nanomaterials revolution. Graphene is the outcome of this revolution. We must remember 1 nanometer is 1 billionth part of a meter. Engineers and scientists have been able to engineer materials at the nanoscale, granting them unique properties and applications. Graphene's exceptional strength, flexibility, and conductivity make it a game-changer in various industries. Researchers have made significant strides in using graphene in electronics, making it a potential replacement for traditional silicon-based components. Moreover, it's revolutionizing energy storage with graphene-based supercapacitors that charge faster and last longer. The advancement in nanotechnology has also brought breakthroughs in medical sciences and chip designing, making it possible to produce quantum computers. That is the end of this report. Thanks for watching.